Good morning, Jacksonville. It's that time of the week again where we are ready for another edition of Free Food Friday. And today, you may notice we're in a very similar spot that we were last week where we supported Sippers Coffee right over here, and we've got the amazing desserts there. But today, we're supporting another restaurant here, and the restaurant this week we're supporting is JJ's Bistro de Paris. Come on inside with me, let me show you around. So they've got this awesome little restaurant here where they've got great wine selections. And check out the macaroons. They've got cakes. All these amazing looking desserts. If you got a sweet tooth, you're gonna love this place. And they don't just do dessert, because right behind me here is a little restaurant. Let's check that out. So they've got this awesome restaurant here. They got the Eiffel Tower. So you guys can dine in or dine outside on the patio. They do takeout, they do curbside pickup, whatever floats your boat, but I would definitely suggest checking out the restaurant. As always, we've put down our $100 tab, and all you gotta do is tell them to put it on Dr. Phillips' tab, and you're gonna get $10 off your order until that $100 runs out. So come on by today to JJ's Bistro on Gate Parkway, just down the road from Ikea, and have some amazing food today, guys. Have a wonderful weekend. Peace. I also wanna remind you, coming up soon in a few weeks, we've got the grand opening at our office, RiverTown Chiropractic, on October 31st from 10 to 2, right at our office. We're gonna have awesome food, drinks, we're gonna have a costume contest, and tons of giveaways. So make sure you put it on your calendar to come to RiverTown Chiropractic, 6817 South Point Parkway, Suite 401 from 10 to 2, and help support us, just like we support all these other small businesses. Thanks, guys.